Let me ask you something. If I gave you a messy, incomplete, broken data set with errors, blanks, weird formats, and duplicate rows, could you still build the perfect dashboard? The truth is, no. BI tool can fix bad data unless you know Power Query. And today I will show you the place where raw data transforms into analytics ready data, the Power Query editor. Let's begin. Welcome back to DataMinds Academy in the Power BI 60 Days Beginner to Advanced series. This is day 11. Today we are unlocking something extremely powerful. Power Query Editor, the control room where data gets cleaned, transformed, and prepared. So first of all, let's import our data. I will click on this Excel workbook, click on the data set, and from here I will select our data set, which is the sales data, and I will click on transform. This opens a new window, and this window is where we will spend a lot of time cleaning and preparing our data set. So this section is our query pane. This section lists all the tables connected to Power BI. Think of this as your folder of raw data sources. Currently, we can see here our table name says if you have more than one tables, all these tables will be shown here only. This section is our data preview section. This shows a preview of your data, not the full data set. This makes Power Query fast and lightning speed. Here at the bottom, you can see that Power BI profiling based on top 1000 rows. But here currently we are only having 12 rows. If your data is very large, you are having lakhs of records, then what it does is it will show you only the preview of the top 1000 rows over here. And this is our third section. Here we have our applied steps. This one is the most powerful thing about Power Query Editor. Every time you transform your data, Power Query records these actions as steps just like macros. So here, after we have imported this Excel file, we can see that 4 steps have automatically been applied. The first step is the source of that file. Second is this sheet name. We are navigating to this particular sheet over here. And next we have our promoted headers, because in navigation step, you can see that our headers are not proper. The header are also getting treated as column values. Next, we are having promoted headers. And after that, it has done some data type changes. So from here, if you want to rearrange or reorder the steps, you can do that. And if you have made any kind of mistake, what you can do is you can click on this cross, and this will automatically delete that particular step. And here, if by mistake you have deleted some of the important steps, you can't do Control Z or undo. You can't undo the steps over here. And again, if you want to do any other changes, you also have this settings icon over here. And if you click on this, you will get the whatever changes you want it to do. And next, we have our ribbon. So this is the top menu. Here, you will find the most important transformation steps. Here you can see there are different panes: the home, transform, add column, view, tools, and help. In home, we have different steps. So this first section is for our queries. If you want to import any other data set, or if you also want to enter a data set. Next, we have regarding the data source. You can change the data source setting from here. Next, you can add parameters from here. We are also going to see about this in our upcoming videos. Next, you can refresh the entire data set, or you can refresh only this particular table. And later on, we have other transformation steps, like you can remove some of the columns, you can remove some of the rows, you can split a particular column, you can do group by, you can replace values, and you can merge and append the tables. In transform, you have all these transformation steps, and all these steps which you will be doing will get applied to the selected column which you have selected. And in add column, you can add a column, and in that new added column, you can do all these steps. And we also have view, tools, and help tab. So all these cleaning steps will come from here only. Next, we have this formula bar. So this is our formula bar. This is where Power Query uses a language called M code. But don't worry, you do not need to memorize it. Power Query writes code for you based on your actions which you have performed over here. But advanced users can tweak formula like automation. That's the real power. So if you know a little bit about M code, then it will be as an added advantage. So this Power Query separates a report builder from a data professional. You can get automated refresh, reusable steps, and repeatable workflows. So for this particular query, all the transformation steps which you have applied, you only have to do it once. And Power BI will repeat everything automatically every time the entire data set gets refreshed. Now we will be seeing a quick demo with this data set. So here what I will do, I will choose some of the columns from here. For example, I don't want region and sales channel. Click on OK. So here our step has been applied, removed other columns. Now if I want to keep only top 10 rows, so I will go here, keep top rows, and I will give here the number of rows which is 10. Click on OK. So here our step has also been applied, kept first rows. So every action is logged here in the right side under applied steps. This means our workflow is repeatable, no manual effort in the future. So here, after doing all the changes and moving it to Power BI, you just have to go here and click on close and apply. Power Query sends clean data into Power BI ready for modeling and visualization. Now you understand the heart of the data cleaning process in Power BI. In the next videos, we will start performing real transformations step by step until you become comfortable working with any messy data set. If you are learning something valuable so far, hit like, comment, Power Query Master Incoming, and subscribe so you don't miss day 12.